What is good, my beauties? Welcome back to my channel. You already know what's going on. I'm about to put y'all on to another wig, okay? So here it is. All the details, everything y'all need to know will be in the description box below. But for the most of this video, I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking because I did recently get my wisdom tooth pulled. My mouth is hurting. I don't even want to talk right now. Before we get into this video, make sure I go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel and hit that notification bell so you guys know the next time I upload. Alright, let's get into it. And so we got a T-part. This wig, T-part, combs at the top, one comb at the bottom. And then we got the adjustable straps, of course. Okay. Put those together like that. Bow. Alright, I'm not going to bleach the knots because there's not much lace. I know sometimes I usually do, but I'm about to go ahead and go grab my tint spray and go ahead and spray it on there. The tint spray that I'll be using today is in the color medium dark brown. And this is the tint spray that I always use, but I'm going to go ahead and spray this on the lace of the wig, and then once I'm done spraying that, I'm going to go ahead and take my Got To Be glue spray and spray that right up over it, just so I can make sure that it sticks and it stays. And then I'm going to blow dry everything to make sure nothing rubs off. Now it's time to apply this wig, so I'm just taking some mousse and some Got To Be glue spray to lay these flyaways back so I can figure out where I want to lay down this wig. And I'm also going to go ahead and take my scissors and just cut some of this lace so that it's not all in my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Got To Be glue in the black bottle, and then take my blow dryer and just dry everything and just making sure that that hair is pushed back. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this wig, and I'm going to use my Got To Be glue spray to apply this wig today. And yeah, but one thing I would like to say that I wish I would have did is I wish I would have just plucked the front a little bit. I just feel like it's thick. Yeah, I really just wish I would have plucked the front, like the hairline, just a little bit, just to give it, just to thin it out just a little bit, and maybe, you know, give it a much more natural look. But I didn't end up doing that this time. But I know next time, if I plan on installing this wig, I'm definitely going to pluck the hairline just a little bit to thin it out and to give that natural look that I want. Now that all the lace is cut off, I got my elastic band holding down my hair. I sprayed a little bit more Got To Be glue down so that everything will stick and stay. And now I'm about to go ahead and just straighten this hair. And y'all, I don't know why I'm looking so mean. Like, I'm not mad. I'm not a mean person either. I don't know why I'm looking like the way I'm looking right now. I think it's because of my tooth. I'm gonna just blame it on that. Like, because I really don't understand. I'm looking at, as I'm editing this video, I'm just looking like, why am I looking like this? But yeah, I'm really happy inside, so don't mind my face. I look like I don't want to do this, don't want to be here, but honestly. what y'all think. Let me know if I did good or not. Leave me a comment in the comment sections below. Help your girl out and let me know how I did. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to hit that post notification bell so you guys do not miss the next time that I upload. And if there are any video ideas